We're Erin and Brandon. If you missed our last episode, we visited Portland, Oregon and Crater Lake National Park, where we hiked to the highest point in the park to get the best views of the deepest lake in the United States.
Where are we headed, Erin?
We are going to California! And I am so excited. This is the number one place I've been excited for. We'll be driving down the entirety of California, approximately a month long. I'm a little winded because I've just been like dancing around. We are going to California! Woo! Okay, let's do it. We just entered Redwood National and State Parks. Our first stop here is going to be Stout Grove. But before we do anything, we need to eat some food. This is our first time making vegan sausage, so I just made some sausage, peppers, and onions. Sometimes I'm just like afraid of things that are fake meat. It's rather like if you're going to be vegetarian or vegan, just don't eat meat. But Bran wanted to try these and I'm pleasantly surprised. Our bellies are full, and we are going on Stout Grove Trail.
In 1918, the Save the Redwoods League was established in an effort to save the remaining old-growth redwoods from logging companies. By the late 1920s, 3 state parks were created to protect the trees. The national park wasn't created until 1968, and by this time, 90% of the old-growth redwoods had been logged. In 1994, the national and state parks were combined to foster cooperative forest management.
That's what I feel like. I'm just constantly looking up. We've really even gotten into the park. Wow. This is gonna be a cool one.
I think it brings us back to the actual trail. I think we went a little off trail here. Maybe we should go back. Let's go back.
People coming from this way. Oh, careful. Got off trail for a sec.
This is the grove.
This is the grove?
We made it. This is the end of the hike.
This is the end?
Yeah.
Going all over the place. I'm like, where? I think the grove is more like this, right?
Yeah. I kind of agree with you.
I mean, what is the definition of grove? I don't know. I'll look it up. Drop some knowledge. A grove, a small wood, orchard, or group of trees. That is the grove, and this is like the final destination of an opening. Well, this is cool. I think that's cooler. Brandon's shaking his head. I'm 5'7". What is this?
It's maybe 6 foot.
6 foot?
No,
not that tall.
Either way, it's bigger than you.
Either way. Wow.
There you go. Ease them legs. Stand up. Whoa. That's sick.
left Stout Grove and Brandon found a spot on Overlander for us to wild camp tonight. Look how pretty this is.
We are at DeMartin Beach, and this is where we're staying tonight. It is absolutely stunning. I feel like I'm back in Greece or something. Ooh, with the rocks in the water. This is beautiful. I'm so happy. Erin's very excited about this fact.
We're in California. I'm so excited. And I'm so excited there's a beach.
We haven't been at the beach in a long time.
I want to go put my feet in. All I've been doing is hiking. I'm a beach girl. I'm so excited. Maybe I just love activities where you don't have to wear shoes. Beach, yoga, dance. I truly haven't been this happy in a while. And I'm a happy person, but the second I saw the ocean, it's like something inside of me came alive. And that's something that I'm learning about myself, that I know I will never be able to live somewhere that's too far from the water. So, is it okay to live near the ocean?
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna get California beachfront though. We gotta make a lot more money than we do now, but maybe.
Is this the most perfect van life spot we've ever had, or what?
I feel like an Instagram model right now. Paint me like one of your French girls.
Ooh, okay. Can I come join you?
Yes. This is the most stunning view we've had so far from the van. It's like the epitome of a van life image on Instagram. That's our campsite tonight. It's pretty amazing.
We are having a lovely morning here at the beach. I went for a run and did some yoga. We both took outdoor showers, which was kind of nice because it's warm and you're at the beach, so you feel like you want to take an outdoor shower. And now Brandon's making us some breakfast. This bed is a mess, so give me like 5 seconds and I'll clean it up.
I wear things multiple days before they go into that evil bin.
The laundry. Yeah, right. The van is literally all about a sniff test because we don't do laundry that often, so we have to rewear our clothes.
Makes us sound like savages.
It kind of does, but
we're not like that gross.
Because once we put it in the laundry basket, we might not do laundry for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So when something goes in, you gotta really make sure you want it to go in because it's not coming out.
All right, finish cleaning up so I can clean up. Beautiful day. I can't believe it's late October and it's sunny and like 70 degrees outside, but I guess we finally reached California.
I'm gonna be so sad to leave the coast, but we're gonna be back, right?
We'll be back.
Because we're heading east now, and then we'll be going to San Fran, and then we'll be going to Yosemite. So there's gonna be a lot of hiking in our days.
Plenty of beautiful sights. If you want to see those, subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll see you next week. Also,
You've never been to Greece.
Yes, I have.
Oh, yeah, you have.
I feel like I'm back in Corfu. What's wrong?
Your phone?
I don't even care because I'm at the beach.
Maniac.
It still works.
We're really gonna hoe down. I mean, I want to party.
Hold it up!